So, welcome back to the another session. Uh, in the last video, we have seen exercise 11.4, question number 1, and today we'll discuss exercise 11.4, question number 2. So, question number 2 show that cosecant theta, question number 2, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. And this we have to prove now. So let's start with LHS is equals to cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay, keep the whole square as it is. For cosecant, I'm writing it as 1 by sine theta, right? Cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sine theta, and for cot, I'm writing it as cos theta divided by sine theta. Okay, and for this, the square is as it is. Now, the LCM of these two is sine theta only. Okay, now, so 1 minus cos theta, this one whole square, and this one is also whole square. Okay, so sine square theta. So we have one identity. What is that identity? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So I can replace sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Right? I can replace 1 minus cos square theta. So this is equals to 1 minus cos theta. So instead of writing whole square, what I do is I will write 2 times. So 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, 1 minus cos square theta. So here 1 minus cos square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So what is the formula for a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Right? So a plus b into a minus b. So this a square minus b square is equal to this much. Right, now a square minus b square is equal to this much, we know. Right. So now what we have to do is to write the numerator as it is 1 minus cos theta whole square. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by, so this is in a form of FW. So 1 minus cos theta 1 plus. So these 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta is cancel, 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Right, so this is the RHS, which is nothing but RHS. Right, so next one, question number 3. So what is question number 3? So show that under root 1 plus Sine A divided by 1 minus sine A is equals to secant secant A plus tan A. Okay. So now rationalize given LHS, rationalize the denominator. Else we can get 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A. Now we have to rationalize it by multiplying and dividing by 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A. Okay, so this is equals to 1 plus sine A whole square divided by, this is in a form of A minus B into A plus B, which is 1 square minus sine square, right? So whole under root. So here, which is equals to under root, what we got here, 1 plus sine A. So 1 plus sine A whole square divided by under root 1 minus sine is 1 minus sine theta is cos theta. Right, so this is equals to this root will get cancelled, and this one will get cancelled. 1 plus sine A divided by cos A, right? 1 plus sine A divided by cos A. Now split it. So 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. So 1 by cos A is nothing but secant A plus sine by cos is tan A. Okay. So this is nothing but secant A plus tan A, which is RHS. Right. This is nothing but RHS. So next question, question number 4. So question number 4, show that 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A divided by cot square minus A. Cot square minus A. Cot square A minus 1, which is equals to tan square A, which is equals to tan square A. So solution. Yeah. So 1 minus tan square A divided by cot square A minus 1. Okay, so here what will happen? Tan write it in terms of sine and cot also write it in terms of. So this is equals to 1 minus tan theta is nothing but sine A divided by cos A. But here we have square, so sine square by cos square. Whole divided by cot is nothing but, what is cot? Cos theta by sin theta. So this we have square and square minus 1. Right? So here cos square A minus sin square A divided by cos square, sorry, cos square A whole divided by cos square A minus sin square A divided by sin square A. Okay. So this is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. This entire part and this entire part will get cancelled. We are left with 1 by cos square A into, so here it is in denominator. So when we write multiply reciprocally, it will go to the numerator and numerator will come to denominator. This is sin square A by 1. So this is nothing but sin square A by cos square A, which is equals to tan square A, which is your RHS. Right? And next question, question number 5. So question number 5. What is question number 5? So question number 5, we have to show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equals to tan theta into sin theta. Okay, tan theta into sin theta. This is simple one. So LHS is equals to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So LCM is cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. Right. So here if we divided by 1, so cos square. So 1 minus cos square 1 is sin square theta divided by cos theta. So what I do here is sin square theta, I'll write it as sin theta into sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so divided by cos theta. Okay, so sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. This one is tan theta into sin theta, which is nothing but RHS. Right. These questions are very simple questions. The only thing is you should know the formula and you should know where to apply the known formula. That's it. So next question, question number 6. Secant A into 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. So we have to just simplify this one. So multiply this with this and again this with this, or else. So first what you have to do is you have to multiply this with this one and again you have to multiply with this, right? So first I'll multiply secant A into 1 is secant A minus secant A by sin A. So sin A into secant A, S-A-C-A. right? And also we have secant A plus tan A. So, so keep this secant A as it is, and for this one, write it as 1 by cos. Secant minus sin A by cos A into secant A plus tan A. Okay, so next. So now if you see secant A minus tan A, secant A minus tan A, and secant A plus tan A. Okay, so this is in a form of A minus B into A plus B, which is equals to A square plus B square. Right. So this one secant square A minus tan square A. Right. Secant square A and tan square A. So what you will get? So which identity we can apply here? Which identity we can apply here? So it is secant square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. Right. So next question. Not another question. Question number. Oops. Question number 6 is complete, and question number 7. Oh, wait, little bit below one. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square. So, so sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equals to 7 plus cos uh, 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta, right? So solution. So sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. So if you observe, the sin A and the cosecant A are inverse, and cos A and secant are inverse trigonometric ratios, right? So we know that. So these two, this one are in the form of A plus B whole square, which is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, so write on the same thing here. So sin square A plus cos square, sorry, COS cosecant, COSEC cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A plus, now the second one, cos A cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. Okay, so cos and secant will get cancelled, sine and cosecant will get cancelled, and sine and sine squared a plus cos squared a is these two is 1. So we are left with these two, 2 plus 2 plus, and this is 1, right? So, yeah. So cos square this one is 1 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus cosecant square a is cosecant square a plus secant square a. Right, so this is 5. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 plus, so cosecant square a is equals to 1 plus tan square a, sorry, I don't know. So cosecant square a is equals to 1 plus tan square a, and secant square a is equals to 1 plus cot square a. Right, so these two I will use here. So what I will get? Cosecant square a. So this one is 1 plus tan square a plus secant square a is 1 plus cot square a, which is equal to 5, 6 and 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, which is nothing but my RHS. Right, so this is important question, right? This is important question. Definitely it will ask. So simply the thing is you should know where to use which formula that we have to use and at what point we have. Right. So next one, question number 7 is complete. Question number 8. Simplify 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. So what is given? So this one is in a form of a plus b into a minus b, which is 1 square minus cos square into 1 plus cot square theta. So this is sin square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta. So multiply this sin square theta with this. So here sin square theta and 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus cot square theta, we can write it as cosecant square theta. Cosecant square theta 1 plus. No, 1 plus is not there. Sorry. So as these two are inverse, this is equals to 1. Simple. Very simple. And next one, question number 9. Oh, sorry. Sure. So, this is in a form of, the question is in a form of, these two are in a form of a minus b into a plus b. So, a minus b into a plus b, which is equals to a square minus a square minus b square. Right. So, I have written 1 square minus cos square and 1 plus cot square theta as it is. So 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosecant. So substitute that, and sin square theta into cosecant square theta. So sin theta and cosecant square theta both are inverse to each other. So when you multiply both, you will get 1. So next one. So question number 9. What is question number 9? So question number 9 is simple. So secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P, then what is secant theta, secant square theta, secant theta plus, minus tan theta is equals to 1. Right, so we know that solution secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, right? So here, this is in a form of a plus b into a minus b. So secant square theta minus, not square, secant square theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equals to 1. But what is secant theta plus tan theta is given as P, right? Secant theta minus tan theta into P is equals to 1, which implies secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by P, right? Simple question. So question number 10. Oh, so here, so the given it is in a form of, we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Was the identity, the second identity which we have discussed in the previous video. So I'm writing this one as, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So I'm writing it as uh, a minus b into a plus b. So which is a plus b. Here we know secant theta plus tan theta is nothing but it is given as p here. It is given as p, and next. So substitute p here and send the p to the other side. So we'll get the required one. Right? Question number 10. So question number 10. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to CO. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to K. Then prove that cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So last problem of this exercise solution. So take this one RHS and substitute the values. So k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So what is k? Cosecant theta plus cot theta, right? Cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1, right? Square plus 1. Now expand this one. So this is in a form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay. This is in a form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Yeah. First, expand. Let us expand this one, and then we'll go with the other one. So cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1 whole divided by cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta plus 1. Right. So here we know that we are using one identity. Cot square theta is equals to 1. Sorry, cot square theta is equals to secant square. Sorry, cosecant. COS is equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. So cosecant square, what will happen? Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot theta, or else you can write 1 plus cot square theta. Right, so this is now, if you see here, what you are left with, cosecant square is equals to, just when you substitute it, so you will get 1 plus cot square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1 whole divided by COS is equal to cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 1 plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 1 and plus 1 cancel. Cot theta plus cot theta is 2 cot theta plus 2 into COS is equal to secant theta plus cot theta divided by cosecant theta 2 cosecant square theta. So this one is square plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. Right. So from this, let's take 2 cot theta common. No, this is into, right. So 2 cot theta. If we take common, we are left with cot theta plus cosecant theta. Similarly in denominator, cos is equal to cosecant theta, take common. So cos is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. So these two will get cancelled, 2 cancel, which is equals to cot theta by cos is equals to cosecant theta. Okay, so cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 by sin theta. Sin theta will get cancelled. We are left with cos theta. Right. So that's it from this exercise, and we'll move to the next exercise in the next video. Right. Thank you.